In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unsave pins on Pinterest. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Pinterest app and then hit add your profile picture to open up your profile page. Then make sure that saved is selected, and then just search for a pin that you want to unsave or delete. You can search for them in uncategorized ideas, or you can open up any board just like that and then search for a pin that you want to remove from here. And once you find one, all you have to do is just hold down your finger on it, then drag it to that pencil icon to activate edit mode, and then at the very bottom you can find this delete pin option. You can just tap on it, hit add delete, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.